Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the paint code location is on this 2001 Ford F150. If this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me out a lot. So the paint code is over here. Open the driver's side door. And right here you're going to see this tag that's got a bunch of information by the manufacturer. So right here you've got EXT PNT, that's exterior paint. And then the code there you can see is L2. So your code will be right in that same spot where L2 is. You've also got like interior trim code, there's MH, other information here that you might find useful. So if this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button for me? Leave a comment down below. It really helps out a lot, and have a good one.